So we need to keep tables in what? A relationship. One to one, one to many to many, something like that, right? When tables are in relationship, the associated what? Entity classes also should be kept in relationship. But one problem is there. To keep tables in relationship, we have a foreign key concept, right? But in Java, do you have a foreign key concept, guys? No. But we can keep classes in relationship or objects in relationship by taking special properties now, boss. Suppose you want to keep student class and rank class in one-to-one relationship. What should I do? Rank class object I should create in student class. Na? That means I have to keep them in composition. Come on, like spring level composition, my dear. Strategy design pattern composition. Are you remembering that? Suppose one student can have multiple phone numbers. So for that one, I need to take special property in student class having list of phone number, collection of phone number, right? That builds a one to many association, guys. So that means like this, we have to keep entity classes in composition, either with what? Either with what? Collection, to hold collection of objects or single object. When it comes to one to many to many, we have to hold collection of object. In many to one to one, you have to hold single object. We definitely need to hold what? Single object. No second thought in that. So this is the whole process that we have learned or not, guys. Okay. So first of all, we'll try to understand what is need of keeping tables in a relationship. So we'll start from the 0%. First, we'll try to understand why should I keep tables in relationship? What is the problem if I store huge amount of data belonging to multiple items in a single table? So from there, we will get the idea why tables should be in relationship. Once tables are kept in relationship, you need to keep what? Classes in relationship and how to build that relationship. Okay, na? Say tables relationship means foreign key. That's for sure. Entity class relationship means composition comes into picture. So we have to tell to Hibernate, okay.
This meeting is being recorded.
Composition should point to tables of relationship. For that one, some extra configuration and inputs are required or not required. For that one, some extra configuration and inputs are required or not required, guys. Definitely required. Are you getting my point there or not there? So for that one, we need to use special annotations related to what? Association mapping. Are you getting my point there or not, guys? Come on, everyone. Okay. Yeah, here is my Eclipse JW 2024-09. Yeah, but first of all, paint here. Let me open this. What's our document, guys? 515. What is there? 515. Here is my what? Spring core. What core, guys? Spring Boot data JPA. In this Spring Boot data JPA, where is that? Need of association map. Association in Spring Data JPA. Relationships are association mapping or multiplicity or in Spring Data JPA or what? Hibernate. Multiplicity in Spring Data JPA or what? Hibernate. Okay. Need of keeping DB tables in what? Association. Here we are talking about what is need of keeping DB tables in what? Association. Comfortable, my dear? Come on, everyone. Okay. Yeah, that's great. Keeping multiple entities or items data in single DB table as records having following problems. Or if we keep multiple items data, multiple entities data in single table, he is having some problems. What is the first problem, guys? Data redundancy problem. Next, data management problem. Data redundancy problem, data management problem. So data redundancy problem will lead to what, guys? Duplication. Okay. Data management problem. That means data becomes inconsistent. Inconsistent means what? Sometimes data is good data. Sometimes data behaves like what? Bad data. Sometimes data behaves like what? Good data. Sometimes data behaves like what? Bad data. Are you getting my point there or not there? When the DB tables are kept in association, the relevant entity classes should also be kept in what? Association. Okay, that's fine. We'll come to that later. Okay, now let's see, guys. Problem. In customer phone details table, I am keeping customer information, phone number information. But one customer may have multiple phone numbers or not, guys. One customer may have multiple phone numbers or not. I want reply, my dear. Come on, everyone. Okay, guys. Here is what problem. Customer phone details. What is there? DB tables. Yes, my dear. Come on here. Where is this? CNO, C name, C address, mobile number, provider type. So here, multiple customer details. 101 customer is having first phone number, second phone number. 102 customer is also having two phone number. May have three, may have one. Okay. But what is the basic problem here, guys? We are trying to keep two items data in single table. In that process, data redundancy problem has come now, boss. Here, 101 Raja, 102 Mahesh details are duplicated or not, guys? 101 Raja, 102 Mahesh details are duplicated or not, my dear? Okay. Keeping huge amount of data in single DB table is not a recommended process. Is it a recommended process or is it not a recommended process? Is not a recommended process. Are you getting my point there or not there? Super, guys. What is the solution for this problem, my dear? What is the solution for this problem? Keeping multiple entities info in multiple DB tables like user information in separate DB table, phone number details in what? Separate DB table. We have to think about user information in separate DB table, phone number details in separate DB table. What do you say, guys? Come on. Okay. Tell me here, what is the story, guys? Customer table, table 1, phone number table, table 2. Only customer information is passed here. Here only what? Phone number information is passed here. Come on. No, not kept in link, boss. Not kept in link, right? Okay. Because of this, data redundancy problem is solved, guys. But what's the problem? Data navigation problem is created. Can I, no foreign key relationship, no foreign key relationship. Can I access phone numbers from customer? Can I access customer details from phone number? Can I access phone numbers from customer? No. Can I access uh, customer details from phone numbers. Are you getting my point or not? I want reply, my dear. Come on. Now, data redundancy problem is gone. But data management or what? Navigation problem is created. That means we cannot access phone number details from what? Customer table records and vice versa. Vice versa means what, guys? Reverse. We cannot access phone number details from customer. Customer details from what? Phone number. I hope you are getting my point there or not there. Super, guys. So that is a solution, but solve the redundancy problem, create the new problem, right, guys? Okay. Because data tables are not in link. Solution two, good solution, guys. Take two tables to maintain multiple entities info and keep them in relationship using what? FK. FK is nothing but what, guys? Foreign key column. You have to take the support of what, guys? You definitely need to take the support of what, guys? Foreign key column. What column, my dear? Definitely you need to take the support of what? Foreign key column. Are you understanding my statement, my dear? Come on. Yeah, this is my customer table. This is my what? Phone number table. This is my table one. This is my table two. This is my table one. This is my what? Table two. Okay, total how many tables are there here? Two tables are there. Okay. Total how many tables are there, guys? Two tables are there. Okay. What is the two tables, guys? Table one, table two. So this is a parent table. This is child table. In the child table, what is there, guys? Foreign key column. What is there? Foreign. Listen. Customer information 102 and 102 is kept in foreign key column or not, guys? So number one, data redundancy problem is there here, not there. That is gone. Data redundancy problem is gone. What is another problem, guys? Data navigation problem is also gone now, boss. Though foreign key is there in child table, from child I can access parent, from parent I can access child. Don't expect to access parent to child, parent should have a foreign key. To access child to parent, child should have a foreign key. You never keep two foreign keys in the tables, guys. Using single foreign key only, we can access parents from child, childs from parent. We can access parents from childs, childs from parent. Are you getting my point, my dear? Okay. What are the advantages? The advantages are no data redundancy problem, no data duplication problem, guys. No data navigation problem. Using FK column, we can access child table records from parent table records and vice versa. Vice versa means what? Reverse also true or not, guys? Vice versa means what? Reverse also true. Are you getting my point there or not there? Vice versa means reverse also true. Okay. It is always good practice to keep FK column in the child table for better association between parent and child DB table. This also avoids what? Data redundancy problem. Using single FK column that is placed. Using single FK column that is placed generally in child DB table. We can access parent table records from what? Child table. And child table records from what? Parent table. That means bidirectional access is possible or not possible? 2 minutes before only I talked about both the points or not, guys? Alright. So this is the best way of designing tables or not, guys? Okay, this is need of keeping tables in relationship. This is what? Need of keeping DB tables in what? Relationship. I think you got crystal clear clarity on that. That's perfect, guys. So once tables are in relationship, guys, so when you design entity classes, we generally design per table basis. Come on, my dear. So you design them per table basis. So you have to keep tables in relationship now. But problem is what? Foreign key concept is not there in what? Java. So we have to keep them in relationship using composition. But they should map to tables of foreign key column. So for that one, you have to give extra inputs to Hibernate or Spring Data JPA. Okay, keep these two entities in relationship using so and so foreign key column. When you have to write some extra configurations or not, guys. They are called OR mapping configuration. Since that is related to association, okay, that's why it is called what? Association mapping configuration. What configuration, guys? Are like this, wherever mismatches are there, OR mapping comes into picture. Best example, one place is association mapping. Tables can be in relationship using foreign key. Classes can be in relationship using composition. To address this mismatch, we have association mapping. Point number one. Point number two. Okay. Classes can be there in composition, but tables cannot be there in composition. Let us assume classes of composition wants to point to single table. Wants to point to single table. For that one, we have to go for what, guys? Component mapping, special mapping is there. All will be covered as part of association mapping. Are you getting my point there or not there? So these are called mismatches between what? Java and ORM software, and those mismatches will be addressed by whom? OR mapping, using various advanced configuration like association mapping, component mapping. Different concepts can be used, guys. Okay, let it be, guys. If DB tables are in relationship, then the associated entity classes should also be taken having relationship. But we keep DB tables in relationship using what? FK column, whereas we keep entity classes in relationship using what? Composition and collection. Composition collection. That means the way DB table are in relationship is different from what? The way entity classes in relationship. To avoid this mismatch, use advanced OR mapping called association mapping. Advanced OR mapping called what? Association mapping. Are you getting my point there or not, guys? To avoid this mismatch, use the advanced OR mapping called what? Association mapping. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Spring Data JPA ORM framework supports four types of association: one to one, one to many to many, many to one, many to many. Four types of associations are there or not there, guys? Yeah. For other mismatches, guys, classes can be in inheritance, but tables cannot be there in inheritance. Addressing that problem, inheritance mapping. Classes can be in composition, but wants to point to single table, not multiple table. Then we have component mapping or not, guys. In classes, we can take collection type properties, right? But table level collection type columns are not there. But still I want to see collection type property pointing to the table column. For that one we have collection mapping or not, guys. Okay, all these special mappings, okay, all these special mapping will be learning along with association mapping, right? As part of association mapping. As part of association mapping configuration. we need to encounter various configurations related to inheritance mapping, comma, component mapping, comma, and what is there? Collection mapping. Collection mapping. Everyone getting my point there or not there? Student and rank info. What is that? One-to-one association. One student will have only one rank now, my dear. Super. User and phone number, guys. One-to-many info. One-to-many information. Department and employee. One department can have multiple employees. One-to-many. Student and course. Array, one student can learn multiple course, but each course can have multiple student. That is M to M na. Many to many is very tricky, guys. From parent one to many, from child one to many. If you mix, that is what? Many to many. See, employee and department. From employee perspective, many to one. Many employees can belong to one department. Department perspective, one to many. One department can have multiple employees. This is not many to many. Why? Every employee belongs to one department only. You don't belongs to multiple department. But when it comes to student and course, student can learn multiple courses. Each course can have multiple student. From parent one to many, from child one to many. If you mix, it is what? Many to many. If you mix, it is going to be what? Many to many. Okay. Faculty and what? Student. Faculty and what? Student. Are you getting my point there, guys? Okay. Yeah. One faculty can teach to multiple students. Each student can get training from multiple faculties. Many to manna means driving license and citizen. One driving license belongs to one citizen. One citizen can have only one driving license. One to one. Passport and citizen, one to one. Employee and department. From department perspective, one to many. From employee perspective, many to one. Student and what? College. Student belongs to one college. One college can have multiple students. Student perspective, many to one. College perspective, one to many. Doctor and patients. One doctor can treat multiple patients. Each patient can have multiple doctors. That is many to many. Corona vaccine and what? Citizen, guys. Corona vaccine and what? Citizen. Array. That is one to one only. Now, one action for one citizen only, not for multiple actions. Person and Aadhaar card, one to one. Customer and phone number. From customer perspective, one to many. From phone number perspective, many to one. I think you understood, guys. Annotations required for association mapping are one to many to one, many to many. At the rate join column, other one is what? At the rate join table. Join column is F for FK column. What is there, guys? Join column for FK column. And to specify third table in what? Many to many association. To specify third table in what? Many to many association. Are you getting my point there or not there? Associations in ORM frameworks or Spring Data JPA can be implemented in two modes. Number one, unidirectional association, bidirectional association. One is unidirectional association, other one is what? Bidirectional association. Either parent to child, child to parent access possible. In bidirectional association, parent to child and child to parent access is possible. Are you getting my point there or not there? parent to child or child to parent access is possible. Parent to child, child to parent access is what possible. Are you getting my point there or not, guys? Or you need means either parent can access child, child can access parent. Table level single foreign key is enough. But here uni means what? Parent class is having what? Special property so that we can access child objects, right? Okay, next one. Child class is having special property so that it can access what? Parent objects. Are you understanding my statement or not? Bidirectional means what? Both parent and child classes will have what? Special property. Being from parent, I can access childs. Being from child, I can access what? Parent. Are you getting my point here, guys? Super. To keep DB tables either in what? Unidirectional or bidirectional association, we just need to take FK column only. What column, guys? In child DB table. But to keep entity classes in unidirectional association, take special property only in one entity class, or for bidirectional association, take special properties in what? Both parent and what? Child entity classes. See guys, using single FK column in table, I can bring unidirectional effect, bidirectional effect. But if you want to see entity classes in relationship, for unidirectional, one side you have to keep special property. For bidirectional, for both parent and child classes, I have to keep special properties. In both parent and child classes, we have to keep what? Special property. Are you getting my point here, guys? Come on, everyone. Okay. Associations in ORM frameworks or Spring Data JPA can be built in entity classes in two ways, either unidirectional or bidirectional. Either unidirectional one or bidirectional. Either unidirectional one or what? Bidirectional one. Can be built in two ways or not, guys? Yeah, tell me. Number A, using reference type properties in composition. What properties, guys? Using reference type properties in what? Composition. Non-collection has a property. What property, guys? Non-collection has a property. Are you getting my point there, guys? One to one, many to one. One to one, many to one. To build one to one, many to one, you can take normal simple properties now. Non-collection has a property, simple reference type, guys. In student rank class reference variable, in rank class student class reference variable, right? Okay. In one to one, many to one. Using collection type properties in composition. So here we have to take collection type has a property or not, guys. For example, so customer phone number. In customer class, list of phone number I have to take now, my dear. Doctor patient, but that's many to many. In doctor class, I have to take list patient property. In patient class, list doctor property I have to take or my dear. List doctor type property I have to take or not, my dear. Understanding my statement, my dear. Got it? Okay, it can be built for one to one, many to one, simple collection. Simple has a properties are sufficient. To build what? To build what? One to many, many to one. We have to think about going for what? We have to think about going for what? Come on, everyone. One to many and what? Many to many association. We have to think about going for one to many or what? Many to many association. We can keep DB tables either in unidirectional or bidirectional association using single FK column, foreign key column. But in Java, no FK column is available. So to keep entity classes in association, we need to use what? composition, either with collection or non-collection type properties. Either with collection or what? Non-collection type properties. For unidirectional, one side. For bidirectional, both side. And we have to take collection or non-collection properties in entity classes. If it is unidirectional, in one side class you have to place it. If it is bidirectional, you have to place in what? Two side classes. So second side. Are you getting my point or not, guys? One to many bidirectional association, or it is also called what? Many to one bidirectional. From parent perspective, one to many. From child perspective, many to one. Okay, now tell me how to design this one. In parent entity class, I have to take collection type property to hold bunch of child objects. One to many, right? In child one, should I take collection property or non-collection property? In customer class, I have to take private list phone number property, right? In phone number class, private customer property. Come on, guys. Private customer. There will be multiple phone number objects. Two, three phone numbers together points to single customer object. For that one simple reference type is enough, na? See, multiple phone number objects are pointing to single customer. First phone number, customer. Second phone number, customer. Third phone number, customer. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Okay. One to many association is from parent to child, whereas, okay, parent to child. From child to parent, it is going to be what? Many to one association or not, guys? It is going to be what, guys? Many to one association. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. Okay. Give me 1 minute, guys. Give me 2 minutes, guys. Okay, guys. Tell me, this is how we have to create tables now, boss. Parent table already. Child table with a foreign key column. Already been decided. And moreover, in Spring Data, JPI, or Hibernate, are we going to create the tables? No. And when you use proper annotation, proper designing, tables with a relationship also will be created dynamically. Are you getting my point, guys? While designing DB table, don't take the column that holds outside business values as what? PK column, because the values may change based on what? Outside business world, business policies. Already we discussed it now, boss. Don't take natural key column as PK column. Taking mobile number, voter ID, Aadhaar number, all these are bad practices or not, guys? Okay, guys. All these are definitely bad practices or not, guys? Okay. Take surrogate key column as what? PK column. Surrogate key column as what? PK column. PK column bad because the value change. Always take that column as PK column, which gets value from underlying application or database software dynamically. Column that holds sequence generated values are a kill. Column that holds auto increment value. So it's always recommended to take what? Take PK column, take surrogate key column as the PK column. That means nothing but primary key column. What column, guys? Primary key column. Are you understanding my statement, boss? Super, guys. Okay, next one. Okay, shall we start the development first, guys? Then we'll understand remaining things. Okay. I hope you understood the basic meaning, guys. Table should be in relationship using foreign key. No foreign key in entity classes. That's why we have to take composition property. Some of them are collection type, some of them are non-collection type. And we should use special annotations for that or not, guys. Okay, that's great. So where is the story, guys? Yeah, where is this? 915, right? 515. You can take same use case or different use case. That's up to you, guys. Close all editors, guys. Close all editors. File new. Where is this? File new project. Where is this? Spring Starter project. Okay, we'll do everything from scratch. Spring data JPA. How much, guys? Pros number? 11 is over. Okay, 12. 12. Association mapping. Association mapping. 1 to M, many to 1. Okay, guys. 1 to many, many to 1. Me when jar 21 this. Say next. What is this? Lombok API. Next one. Spring Data JPA. MySQL driver. Oracle driver. Anything else? I think enough. Say next. Say finish. That's great, guys. Association mapping. Java resources. Lengthy class name sometimes will not work. You know that, right? App association mapping. This is what? Association mapping, right, guys? Come on, everyone. Yes. Okay. Tell me next one. Say next. Say next. Say finish. Say next. Say finish. Right click, guys. New package. Com dot nt dot entity. Com dot nt dot entity. Next. Com dot nt dot. What is there, guys? Service. Com dot nt dot service. Next. Package. Com dot nt dot run. Com dot nt dot runner. Is that clear, my dear? Come on, everyone. Here is my what, guys? Application dot properties. What dot properties, guys? Application dot properties. Okay, that's great. Here is my application dot properties. Okay. I think this part we can copy paste from any previous project. No problem at all. This is my copy this. Here is what? Paste. Application dot properties. Spring dot application dot name. Spring dot application dot name. Boot data JPA pros 01. It is what? 12 na boss? 12. Boot data JPA pros 12. Next one. Boot data JPA pros 12. Tell me here, what is the story, guys? What is there? Association mapping. What mapping, guys? Association mapping. Okay, that's great. Here is what? First we take Arkil only, boss. What is there in that? First we will take Arkil database only. Okay. We will take Arkil database only. Here is there. org.hibernate.dialect.arkil dialect. We are ready with this or not, boss? Okay, we are definitely ready with this. Okay, here is my application.property file or not there. Okay, that's great, guys. com.nt.entities. We have to develop the entity classes. I think we have to take one more package to maintain the repositories. We have to take one more package now. com.nt.repository. That's another thing. Okay, first of all, let me take both entity classes. Customer 1 class, another class, phone number, or some other name, guys, whatever you feel comfortable. Okay, what is their phone number? Phone number is what? Another entity class. Okay, here is my customer, guys. Here is my customer. In this place, what is there, guys? customer.java @entity @table name is equal to, what is equal to, name is equal. So let us try to take some meaningful name, guys. What is that? Let us try to take some meaningful name. ATM underscore customer underscore tab. OTM underscore customer underscore tab. Okay, on safe side, what I do, I'll make sure that such tables are deleted. If by, because maybe there may not be there. I don't want to take chance, guys. If you go for MySQL, this headache is not there. Always creates a new table. Because for every batch, I'm taking separate logical DB. No question of getting clash. Here we are not creating separate logical DB. Every time we are using same thing, boss. That's why that headache makeup. Say okay. OTM with O, no names are there. Huh? Good. What's the name I have taken? OTM underscore customer underscore tab. That's good, guys. Okay. Private integer CNO. Private string C name. It is a string type of property, na? @column length is equal to 30. What is next? Private string. Private string. Tell me. Private string C address addrs @column. What is there? Length is equal to 30. Next one, what is that? Yeah, here I have to make this property as ID property. Next one is what? Sequence generator. Next one is what? Name is equal to gen1. Yeah, initial value how much, guys? 100. Allocation size is what? 1. Initial value 100, allocation size is 1. But in this whole process, I forgot to mention sequence name or not, guys. What is the sequence name? CNO underscore. Okay, CNO underscore sequence 1. Next, what is there? Initial value. Initial value is equal to 100. Allocation size is equal to 1. Yeah, tell me next one. Generated value. Generator is equal to gen1. Tell me here. Strategy is equal to. What is there? Sequence. Control plus shift plus. What is there, guys? Private string. Tell me. Private string. Address is taken. This is taken. Okay, right now, maybe let me take a double bill amount. Double bill amount. I just want to take property names as column names, guys. And for numeric properties, we cannot control the length. Yeah, let it be default, guys. So these are normal, simple properties, guys. Nothing great about these properties, right? Anything great about these properties, my dear? No. Okay. Here I am taking what? Private list. What is that? Private list phone number. Private list phone number. What is there, guys? Phones. Private list phone number phones. Are you getting my point? Yes. Okay. Now I have to build association mapping here. See, guys, using this list, I can build many to many, one to many. अरे collection type ना अरे list better set better set phone numbers are cannot be duplicated, right? So set collection looks more better or not, guys? Okay, that's great. Okay, using this collection type, this is a collection type property for association mapping or not, guys? Collection type has a property. What property? Property for one to n association. One to many association. Convinced, my dear? Come on, everyone. One to many association mapping. Okay, but this one can be used for many to many, one to many also. Come on, guys. But how to tell I am using for one to many only? For that, on the top of the property, you should write what? At the rate one to many. Okay, it should point to what? Target entity is equal to, where is this? Phone number dot class. What dot class, guys? Target entity is equal to phone number dot class. And moreover, I want to tell, whenever I save any parent object, which internally contains set of child objects, come on. Parent object data should be saved in parent table, and as associated child objects record should be saved in what? Child table. That is called any persistence operation performed on parent should also take place on what? Associated child object. If I do save object operation by using parent object, come on. Associated child object should be taken and should also be what? Inserted in child table. Are you getting my point there or not there, guys? Super, guys. At the rate one to many, target entity is equal to phone number dot class. Cascade is equal to cascade type dot, what is there? All. Cascade is equal to cascade type dot all. Is the another option we are having, my dear? Is the another option that we are having or not, guys? Come on, my dear. I want reply, my dear. Come on, everyone. At the rate one to many, target entity is equal to phone number dot class. Cascade is equal to cascade type dot all. Cascade is equal to cascade type dot all. Here cascading is taking place or not, my dear? Definitely cascading is taking place. Agree with me, my dear? Come on, everyone, getting my point? Super, boss. Okay. What is this cascading? If I do save object operation on parent object, okay, on the associated child objects also save should take place. If I update parent object, associated childs also should be updated. If I delete parent object, associated childs also should be deleted. And a cascading style sheet. Any style you apply on parent should also be applied on child tags now, boss. Cascading effect. War started, stock market gone down. Is a cascading effect or not, guys? Chain effect or nothing but what? Cascading effect. What do you mean by all, guys? Not one to operation should be cascaded. All non-select operation should be cascaded. What are the possible options we have, guys? In association, cascading means the non-select persistence operation performed on what? Main object will be propagated or cascaded toward associated object. The possible values are all, persist, remove, merge, detach, refresh. Detach, refresh. While designing BB tables for relationship, it is recommended to take what? FK column in child table because it avoids redundancy problem in the parent table. Okay, see, only persist is cascaded, only remove operation is cascaded, only update operation is cascaded, only removing object from what? Association is cascaded. Refresh means only reloading is cascaded. But if you say all operations are cascaded or not, guys? This part is clear now, my dear. But now the question is, you should tell parent and child tables are linked with the foreign key column. To mention that foreign key column, always remember we have a join column annotation. What annotation, guys? What is the annotation we are having, my dear? Join column annotation. What is the annotation we are having? At the rate join column. Come on here. What is there, guys? At the rate join column. Name of the column. What is the name of the column, boss? What is the name of the column? Foreign key column name, boss. You can give any name, guys. Okay. In phone number, foreign key column pointing to customer table PK column. Can I say cust underscore NO, guys? Can I say cust underscore NO? This is foreign key column name. A reference column name. What is reference column name? CNO. A reference column name. What is there, guys? CNO. Are you understanding my statement over here or not, guys? CNO. Are you getting my point here or not there, guys? Okay. At the rate join column, name is equal to customer number. Referenced column name is what? CNO. Are you getting my point? Okay. This is what? Foreign key column name. And this is associated PK column. What is the PK column, guys? CNO. In the parent table or not, guys? Okay, guys. FK column pointing to PK column. If already there, it will be used. If not there, it will be created. It's happening or not, guys? Okay, but one small headache is there. Don't use at the rate data annotation. Why, sir? It will give toString. That toString also gives this property. Yes, my dear. But when I'm printing parent data, I want to print only these four property value. But toString will print what? This property data also, including child. And this is printed means what? Indirectly child records also printed, na? Are you getting my point there? That's why first time I am not using at the rate data. I am going for setter separately, getter separately. Come on, guys. Setter separately, getter separately. Next, I want NOR constructor. I don't want to keep because I want to have message. I want to take that constructor on my own. I want to take that constructor on my own. Sys trace. Where is this? Customer colon. What is there? Zero param constructor. Customer colon zero param constructor. Yes, my dear. Next, here I will take all arg constructor on benefit. Okay, listen. while inserting data except C and O, only for these involving these three property, better to have one constructor now, my dear. Okay, that's why I'm going to put at the rate non-null. What is there? At the rate non-null. Okay, good. Copy these guys. At the rate non-null. Someone asked, so many non-nulls are there. Which non-null you have to use? Lambda KPI non-null only you have to use. But to get the constructor by involving non-null properties, we need to take what, guys? At the rate required arg constructor. What constructor, guys? At the rate required arg constructor. Are you understanding my statement, boss? That's great. At the rate required arg constructor. Clear, my dear? Come on, everyone. I'm getting my point or not there? This is my customer. This is my what for them. Phone number dot Java. 1 minute. Phone number dot Java. Before that, here I have to take one toString method also now, boss. ToString method. What is this? Alt plus shift plus yes comma yes. Alt plus shift plus yes comma yes. Are you getting my point there or not there? Okay, that's great. Tell me here what is there. Alt plus shift plus yes comma yes. Except phones, keep the remaining things or not. Cut it, paste it. It's done and dusted or not, guys. This is my phone number dot Java, guys. Okay. Yeah. Tell me here, what is there? At the rate tape. Okay, first of all, let's concentrate on properties, guys. The rate integer registration number, because I don't want to take mobile number as what? Primary key column, because it is a natural key column. It is having link with what? Outside world business policies. As usually, at the rate ID. At the rate ID. Here I will take separate sequence generator, or you can take auto generator, your choice. Name is equal to gen1. Sequence name is equal to regno underscore sequence. What is there? Allocation size 1. Initial value. What is that? 1000. Initial value 1000. Okay. Next one is what, guys? What is that? Generated value. What value, guys? Generated value. Generator gen1. Strategy is equal to sequence. Strategy is equal to sequence. Tell me. Private string. What string, guys? What is there, guys? Private string. Are you getting my point there, guys? Yeah. Private string. Tell me here. Private string. Private. Acha, first let me take long. Mobile number. Private long mobile number. Private string provider. What is there? Provider. Next, what is there? Private long mobile number, private string provider. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Yeah, tell me next one. What is the story, guys? Private integer registration number, private long mobile number, private string what? Provider. Private string provider. Are you getting my point? Yes, guys. Tell me next one. Private string provider. Okay. Then yeah. Number type, office number, personal number, this kind of thing. Right. Okay. Here, string type na at the rate column length is equal to 30. Next, guys. At the rate column length is equal to 30. At the rate column length is equal to again 30 there. Again, we are taking 30 over there or not there. Okay, that's great. Registration number, all this stuff. Okay, here, private, it is many to one. Many to one means what? Collection or non-collection? Non-collection. Okay. Phone number. What is there, guys? Phone. Phone number 4. Here is my at the rate. At the rate. I want to build what, guys? Many to one association. What association I want to build? Many. Many to one. What is the target entity this time? Sorry, it's my mistake. It should be customer na boss. Customer cust. Yeah, who is the target entity, guys? Customer dot class. Here also cascade is equal to cascade type dot all na. What does it mean? Any persistence, non-select persistence operation performed on the child object should also be happen on parent object or not. Who knows, guys? I may want to save the data using parent object, or I may want to do persistence operation using child object. Any persistence operation, especially non-select persistence operation, performed on the parent object, sorry, child object, should also be propagated to what? Associated parent object. Are you getting my point there or not there? Many to one target entity customer dot class cascade is equal to cascade type dot all. Cascade is equal to cascade type dot all. Are you getting my point there or not, guys? Come on, everyone. Okay, that's great. At the rate many to one. What is that? At the rate many to one. Okay. After that, what is the next thing, guys? After that, what is the next thing? I want reply from you people, guys. Many to one. Get entity customer dot class. Cascade is equal to cascade type dot all. Cascade is equal to cascade type dot all. Are you getting my point there or not there? Okay, that's great. Followed by that, what is the next story, boss? At the rate join column. What column, guys? At the rate join column. Tell me here. At the rate join column. At the rate join column. Super boss. Name of the column. What is the name of the column? First underscore NO. Are same na? Same thing you have to write. Cust underscore NO. One. A referenced column name. What is the referenced column name? CN. From child to par. Same. Foreign key is single only. No, don't take multiple foreign keys, guys. Come on. Right. Tell me here. What is that? At the rate entity. At the rate table. Name is equal to. What is equal to? At the rate table name is equal to. Tell me. OTM underscore phone number. OTM underscore phone number. Yes, here also, what is the one I am looking for? At the rate setter. At the rate getter. Okay. Next one. At the rate alarg constructor. At the rate required arg constructor. Let me put not null properties at the rate non null. 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 All these are my non null properties or not, guys? All these are definitely my what? Non null properties, no doubt in that. Super, guys. Okay, that's great. Non null, non null, non null. Okay. Here is my cust, guys. All arg constructor, required arg constructor, private customer cust. At the rate join column cust underscore NO. Referenced column name is what? CN. This is my phone number dot Java or not, guys? Okay. Here I will take a regular constructor, not coming. Okay, not coming. Why so? Okay, we'll add it. Public phone number systrace. Here is my what? Zero param constructor. What, guys? Zero param constructor. Here I am taking toString method. What method? toString. We are also looking for what? toString. Alt plus shift plus S comma S. Remote is cast from here. Yes, we are looking for toString. But in this toString, every property is involved. No. Registration number, mobile number, provider type. Okay. Now, what is not involved, guys? Customer is not involved. Okay, guys. Come on. Super. Phone number not Java. Registration number, mobile number, provider type. Okay, cust here, zero param constructor, this. This is my customer.java. This is my what? Phone number.java. Things are pretty clear here or not, guys? Things are pretty clear or not, guys? Come on, everyone. Okay, here are my repository interfaces or not, guys? New interface. What is there? iCustomer repository. iCustomer repository. This is my what? JPA repository. This is my customer. Here is my what? Int is. Are you getting my point here, guys? Come on. Yes. Customer, here is my what? Integer. Yes, we are ready with this. Similarly, I need to develop one more what? This interface. What is the interface, guys? iPhone number repository. What is that? iPhone number repository. What's the interface I should add, guys? JPA repository. JPA repository. What is the one I have to take here, guys? Phone number. What is the proper integer? Registration number is integer or not, guys? This is what we need to focus on, not by dear. Okay, that's great. I customer repository and phone number repository. That's great. So now we have to develop the service interface and implementation class. So today we'll just take that skeleton. Tomorrow we'll write the code inside that. Okay. I, what is that? Customer management. I customer management service. I'll take implementation class also. What's the class, guys? Customer operation. 1 minute. Customer management service IMPL. Add. I customer management service. Here is my implementation class there or not there? That's great. Fine. So this is the basic skeleton, guys. So in this one, we need to add what? Implementations and other things. Sir, in both join column, you have written same information. When entity classes are there, parent separate special property, child separate special property. But when it comes to what? Table level, single foreign key element is enough. Build one unidirectional or what? Bidirectional association. To simply build what? Unidirectional or what? Bidirectional association. Convinced, my dear? Come on, everyone. Want the clarity or not? That's it. I customer management implementation. Fine. I think here we can make it as a service class now. At the rate service. Okay. Next one. Wait. I customer repository cust repo. At the rate auto wide. What is that, guys? At the rate auto wide. That's great. At the rate auto wide. Are you getting my point there or not there? Super, guys. At the rate auto wide. I customer management service. Customer management service IMPL. Are you getting my point? Runner class also will create, not today, tomorrow will create. Fine. Kartikeyan, good. Fine. Coding we will do tomorrow. See, we are writing same join key column in both places. In Badash association, instead of writing join key column in both sides, that to same, you can write one side and we can say other side you take it. One side you write, other side you say go and refer that. That provision is also there, but see this example in this mode. After that, I'll introduce that. Can I upload the material, guys? Where is the material? Here is the material. Tell me here, what is the story? Here is Natras. Done. Followed by that, what is there? Followed by that, what is there, guys? 5:30 p.m. What p.m., guys? 5:30 p.m. Next. Spring Boot data JPA. That's great. File load. What is there? File upload. Yes. What is the of class line number? 515. Spring Boot data JPA. Tell me next one. Huh? 16. Need of association map. Yeah. Thank you guys. Have a nice time. We'll stop here and we'll